yourself when to love. Your life depends on this. Know for sure that who you love is deserving of your kiss. Know when to trust the light you see in another person's eyes. Know when to differentiate a single truth from 1,000 lies. Touch, take care who you sleep beside. Know the one you were traveling with before you finally decide. Know to tell where you begin and an end inside the space. Know the wisdom that so many miss. Two-edged swords are commonplace. No, you should not waste a single second once you have recovered from self-doubt. No, if I could take you anywhere, it would be further into you. And know the willingness to be this brave, this gifted to so very few.
Other's heartaches we scheme. In giving our bodies we crucified pain. Through smoke rings of sorrow we dream. I remember the one who in madness did love you. She followed you most everywhere. When in desperation you cried in my arms, she was suddenly no longer there. And if I must recall, I recall only joy. The night that bad mix sent you to me, with the promise my touch would be healing. Somehow set that part of you free. And you knew me when my own mind grew weary, when you were the stronger of heart. You soothed me and held me, caressed me. As before you, I fell apart. All my mistakes when I cried for forgiveness, you were there, to you I confessed. It was only by your hand, by such sacred passion, that I became so wondrously blessed. Again, the star you've discovered, you live by its light. And you have your sweet love, she is true to your soul. And I must needs disappear with the night. sideways glance, a too long stare, in a fine net captured, caught unaware. A hug that swamps, the voice that yells, the heart that knows the heat of 7 hells. The time that seeks for in-time salvation, passion that cries with no expectations. A well-chosen word, a hard-won smile, treading water all the while. The love that hates, the seed that grows, arms that embrace despite his blows. Her arms embrace despite his blows. Yes, her arms embrace despite his blows. It is less a matter of willpower, more of circumstance, that makes me take my time these days and lets me let you have your way, that stops me in my tracks mid-dance, that loses any winning chance and catches me too weak to play this day. It is your attitude for certain. You are far too critical. You say too much and not enough. Your edges, they are far too rough. Your thinking is quite magical. And it is your sheer acceptance. You perfected flat effect. You look like vacant staring girls. You think I'll be a swine for pearls. Before you I should genuflect. I tell you now, this is not your time. You really do insult the night. In the mirror, be the alpha male. This love has long since grown stale. Even more of a shadow in the moonlight. One day you will simply disappear. It is late, my love, with worn desire. The hero dreams on. So be it, I will crave no more. So be it, make my love as poor as the beggar's crutch I lean on. As the night escapes, I scream on. I am madder than before. Yes, I will crave no more. Yes, I will crave no more.
I'm a good girl, you're a bad boy. You bring me down, I'm your sad toy. Yes, you wanted a good girl, just to bring down like some sad toy. One punch lover, it's all too much. My fault, I wait for your hard touch. Yes, you never could see any other side. No kind word, no gentle touch. Yes, between the drugs and the getting pissed. No sorry girl, no velvet glove, only iron fist. No way through this pathology. By what demon have you been kissed? My father could not hold his rage. My brothers read from the same page. My mother cried herself to sleep. My sister's looking twice her age. It's all I've ever known, you see. So baby, take a shot for free. Yes, I have lived for the blows, the family punching bag, that's me. Now you come to me yet again with heartfelt apologies. Tell me once more how it is a disease. Yes, you come to me with sorry tears. Still it will not last. You insult with your pleas. And maybe I will want it to end, to stop one fine day, but till then I'll cop. It's sweet. It's sweet.
Now it is winter in New York, and the dead are piling up, and we are waiting for our turn, waiting for that poison cup. Well, the music in the hallway has a low and somber sound, and the night is just as dark in this new lockdown ghost town. Outside is death. The window is misting over the result of our last breath. See the park so like a graveyard. The reaper, he is grim. I have heard that we are paying for a multitude of sins. So tell me again not to worry, this is not the end of days. Tell me again not to listen to for what some lost souls pray. Yes, tell me again as we lay naked that no God would ever steal the beauty of this moment and the kiss that is its seal. Below the lights do not grow dim, and like some alien invasion, strange figures are walking back and forth, choreographing this macabre occasion. A prayer to friends whom we cannot reach, to neighbors not answering their phones, and it's difficult not to believe, though you say again, there is nothing for which we need to atone.
So much would I love to see you once more in this bed of mine. For when you smile and when we kiss, there's nothing more I need. This is my time.
Yes, there's nothing more I need. The crazy wall you decorate is waiting for your return. Such loneliness does not survive well too long a separation. When will I learn? The memories reappear in my head. I know you have your life to live. Yes, you have your life to live. The clouds are gathering in a once clear sky. Perhaps these days I have a lot less to give. My need is greater than your desire. Of this I am sure. I require no reminding. The history of our intimate love precludes the words that would make it binding. Still, I would hope that you would know me better. Give me the benefit of any doubt, imagined or real. I look outside, see the leaves on the trees are waving hello or goodbye. What more, please say, should I reveal? You know, I love to see you naturally, and when we love, do not hesitate. No, do not hesitate. I have lost too many tears to the night. Yes, I have lost too many tears.
Oh, you are bad, sir, the way your eyes seek the line of my dress. And though your gaze, it be pleasing, I should perhaps reveal less. For I am in love, and this knowledge is hard to confess. I know you to be the poet of sensual dreams, but do words mask mere lust? Desire haunts your every theme. Where you would lead me, I have been there before, and this is the glance of the soul, completing itself in a kiss. So may it end now, before both our futures are lost, and too many lives out there pay too high a cost. But oh, you are bad, sir, the way your hands stroke my neck. And yes, your touch, it is teasing, tempting me into forgetfulness. still I am in love. Go no further with your tender caress. Go no further along the line of my breast. Yes. Go no further along the line of my breast. Go no further with your tender caress. Received your birthday greetings, which came to me as a surprise. Yes, I received your birthday greetings, which came to me as a surprise. It has been such a long time since I have looked into your eyes. I suppose it stands to reason nothing stays the same forever. It stands to reason nothing stays the same forever. A marriage of convenience at least gave us time together. Better off alone. Alone with my thoughts, alone with my books, alone with my poetry. Yes, alone with my ghosts, of which you are the one. Life goes on, why can't you see? And why can't I just leave it be? Your lesson's a down payment on a future filled with grace. Far from the ragged crowd, your mother knew that with your face, only fine young men would be allowed to walk the long staircase. So you practice your well-timed blush and your curtsy, with your by-the-book smile and your easy southern charm. Find your partner for the next dance across the floor arm in arm. No furtive look, no lasting glance, retain composure, outward calm.
especially if that boy be some vulgar Yankee. For to you Atlanta yet burns in the flames, and the buried are not forgotten, who are so much more than mere names. And once again in the twilight you are the sought-after prize. In this house steeped in history you hear their desperate cries. I am informed that you are wed, Charlotte. May fortune find you well blessed. He is your champion, I do believe. You hold him close to your breast. And may you never live to grieve, or before your God be confessed. For much may be hidden from view by feigned affection. Now time goes by slow beneath the live oak. Cherokee roses lie in the garden, and these marble halls, sheer prison walls. Yes, of course, I do beg your pardon, but you must hurry, your husband calls. And the pedestal he sets you upon, like our Georgia waltz, burdened by its own mythology. Yes, to you Atlanta lies in ruins and flames. Still those young men dance on, and young ladies turn dance cards for names. And beneath the brightest of stars you remain the glittering prize. And in these finest of moments you learn to live with the worst of his lies.